Hello everyone, now that I got the cable open, I can now use it. So I'm gonna set the camera down. This will take just a second. Okay, now that I got the cable open, it's now time to show you the two cables in one. As you may know, this goes to the PSP, or we'll see if it will fit in the 6-axis. Hey, it actually goes in. It actually fits in the 6-axis controller. But now let's see if it goes into PSP. Yes, this will indeed work on a PSP 3000. So, if you hear that no, each PSP has a specific cable, no, they're wrong. This will definitely work on 3000. I tried the 1001 cable and it worked, but it broke. So basically, this plugs into the main device, wherever you want to plug it into. So I'm plugged into port 2 now. So basically, the cable works. You plug in the small cable into the original. And you plug the small cable into the PSP. You plug the large cable into the PSP, to wherever you want to plug it into. Yep, it's now in USB mode. So this is 2015. But thanks for watching this demonstration. Oh wait. I need to show you how the transfer works. before you actually start to transfer, make sure that everything is in the perfect order that you want it in. Or at least the album information is correct. Okay. So then move your controller down 1. Overwrite and save. Now watch what happens when you do this. Did you see that? There was a line, and now the save's complete. Now, make sure that you actually go back and confirm that you have it. There we go. It's all there. This is Jorge15, and thanks for watching this demonstration of my new USB cable